Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to Infinite Manifestations. Humans are not alone in this world. Whatever they do and say is not restricted to the physical realm. Certain beings exist among us but are invisible to human sight. Guardian angels are angels that strive to aid their fellow people by providing them signals and speaking to them in whispers. It is incredibly soothing to have a guardian angel watch over and protect us at the most trying of circumstances. Angels exist and choose to connect with us when we need advice on our life path. The presence of higher forces in your life is a rare spiritual blessing that should not be overlooked. Discover the 8 signs your guardian angel has reached out and decided to visit you. Belief in guardian angels is a vital first step in preparing your heart and soul for spiritual growth. Join me on a spiritual adventure to discover the signals that your guardian angel has visited you. 1. Angels are superior creatures formed largely of light who have been characterized similarly in several faiths. Despite the fact that they lack the physical form seen in movies and cartoons, their personalities, though, are quite similar. They are beings that are full of love and appreciation. They are committed to assist individuals in their daily lives. Though they cannot interact with us directly, they do provide us with several indicators that may be useful to us in the long term. Dreams are an essential component of human spirituality. This is the connection between the spiritual and the physical realms. This is why dreams have a particular significance. Dreaming about angels is one of the indications that your guardian angel is watching over you and attempting to smooth the way with its love and magnificent nature. Have you ever dreamed about angels? If you like, share it in the comments below. By the way, if you want to learn more about spiritual growth and become part of this spiritual collective, please don't forget to subscribe. 2. Have you ever witnessed odd lights or orbs in your everyday life? For most of us, this may appear to be a bizarre experience, yet they are not confined to human vision. These little colorful orbs may be seen in a variety of photographs and films. Though these orbs appear to be light effects, they are really said to be vehicles for angels. According to certain beliefs, these orbs emerge as a result of an angel standing directly next to you, who is usually characterized as the guardian angel who is in charge of making people's life simpler by illuminating the route for their human companions. Their primary function is to safeguard and shield their fellow humans from harm. 3. Do you find yourself seeing the same numerical sequences again and over? If any specific numerals stick out and ring a bell, realize that the higher forces are attempting to pique your interest. They need your attention in order to explain their future intentions to you. Their aim is to steer you ahead and help you become the finest version of yourself. Angel numbers are only indicators of alignment. When we pay attention to them, they do really contain heavenly and spiritual messages from the universe, which are sent by our guardian angels. The spiritual meaning of these pairings reassures us that our guides are with us and that we are not alone. Despite the fact that each number has a somewhat different significance, they are all powerful reminders that change is possible and that you have what it takes to alter things for yourself. If you want to learn more about numerology and angel numbers, check out the playlist section. 4. Because the angels cannot entirely give you control of the situation by merely revealing their actual appearance. A person cannot stand seeing the genuine appearance with their own eyes. As a result, the guardian angel can add a nice smell to the surroundings around you, giving you a clear indication that they are present. This sweet-smelling perfume is your guardian angel's method of alerting you that you have been visited. Despite the fact that this fragrance is not always perfumed, people can sometimes smell various meals, aromatic flowers, or scented fragrances. All of these factors contribute to the need for communication. They might even take the form of angels in the clouds, or you could hear particular sorts of sounds that serve as the catalyst for conversation. 5. Our guardian angel's role is to assist us in whatever manner imaginable. Their main limitation is assisting us in the open manner. It is not uncommon for them to communicate with you through repetition as an act of dialogue. This demonstrates their concern for us. There is a famous saying, "Pay attention when things happen in threes." This shows a clear signal. For example, if a certain name is mentioned 3 to 4 times by different people in different situations, you would see that it might be a clear signal from your guardian angel to meet or stay away from that person, depending on the discussion being carried out between 2 friends. This shows us that the smallest of the things can be used as a sign by your guardian angel. 6. As previously said, the guardian angel would go to any length to assist their human companion. Different strategies for communicating with humans were described. Despite the fact that they were indirect patterns, some may have deferred the obvious conferring. They might just be coincidences. I personally do not believe in coincidences. However, there are situations when we are looking for something and it appears on a neighboring table or floor. a powerful sensation of feeling occurs, which explains your guardian angel's appearance or presence. This is the most straightforward approach they have to make you happy. 7. For some of us, this appears unusual, perplexing, and even frightening. Your guardian angel can make you aware of their existence by laying a white feather in their vicinity. This demonstrates that individuals are on the lookout for such goods. This may also irritate some of us in our daily talks, and having a guardian angel standing alongside you would imply that these feathers are a direct interpretation of the angels pointing out the obvious. Finding a white feather along your route indicates the presence of angels. White feathers serve as a constant reminder that you are cherished, cared for, and protected. When you are feeling lost, finding feathers in unusual locations serves as affirmation and a blessing from your defenders. It's their way of guiding you to your destiny. 8. As a result, innocent beings, newborns, and pets frequently recognize spiritual entities that adults overlook. If you've seen your kid or pet looking and smiling towards the ceiling, chances are your house has had a special visitor. We don't know what's going on in their tiny brains, but we attempt to figure it out to the best of our abilities. That's why, if you notice your baby engaging with something that doesn't appear to be there, you could wonder whether they're seeing something or not. Depending on your beliefs, the topic of whether or not newborns may see spirits may naturally arise. Many who believe in spirits say that babies do, indeed, have a unique ability to see them. I believe that we all have the ability to experience spirits. Young children may not inherently have enhanced ability. Rather, their innocence permits them to perceive spirits without judgment or preconceptions. They haven't been taught that you can't see ghosts or that angels don't exist. They get a profound experience of the connection since they have no limiting thoughts or limitations. Aside from the youthful innocence that permits newborns and young children to accept the vision of angel, their capacity to see a spirit is likely considered as natural by them. Many newborns perceive spirits because they are still separated from the rational physical world but completely receptive to the spiritual realm. They don't regard things as belonging or not belonging, they just observe. A spirit is only a portion of the image to a newborn. Animals and newborns both receive and respond to what they perceive in comparable ways. If you see your infant engaging, smiling, or staring in a certain direction, they may be seeing an angel, and if the spirit is nice, they will frequently giggle and grin. It takes a little bit of practice before someone can become adept at recognizing patterns and deciphering signals. The guardian angels would occasionally cause a tingling sensation at the top of the crown of the head. This spot would then grow heated, indicating that your guardian angel had simply attempted to make touch. Overall, even if you suspect your kid is communicating with a ghost or spirit, there is no harm done as long as your newborn seems joyful. You don't need any strange rituals or sage to do this. They will depart if you ask. You can also invite a loved one in spirit to join you. You may say something like, "Grandma, please keep an eye on the baby and help him stay safe." Every day, say a positive prayer close to the baby. Be open to receive, and I hope to see you in my future. I hope you liked this video and gained some insights. If so, please don't forget to subscribe. If you are interested in numerology, check out the next video.